So do you prefer the Detroit or the Chicago style pizza, or do you prefer Dubai's Manakish?
Oh, that's interesting that you're comparing the Manakish to the pizza.
Kind of the same.
It's
Same
not.
thing.
How dare you? Detroit style pizza. I don't think there is a such thing as Detroit style pizza because it's just worse. It's just worse deep dish. It's like Chicago style, but not. They're not committed to it. So it's just like, hey, It's like we almost did Chicago style pizza. Do you know what it is? Are you familiar with it? Have you ever
I've
had?
had deep dish.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's just that, but not as good.
You're
It's
alienating my fan base from Detroit. Right
oh,
now.
sorry
Yeah,
about that.
They're all switching
They know
off.
it's true. It's just it's good. It's good, but it's just like just have deep dish pizza. Like real Chicago style. It's like you know what it is? It's like a pan pizza is kind of Detroit style. But not they do it a lot of them do it square. So like Buddy's is a good example of a Detroit style pizza. Uh but it's just not I don't know. I don't
What's
like it.
lacking? Like, what are they missing?
The commitment to a style.
The love.
Detroit just isn't a style. Chicago is deep dish.
Yeah.
New York is the thinner.
Mhm.
And Detroit is like, let's do in between. And it's just not, I don't know, it's fine, but it's not my go-to. If it was good, it would be a thing everywhere. But you don't hear about Detroit style pizza anywhere else. You hear about Chicago style and New York style. And even Chicago style, you don't really get outside of Chicago.
Yeah, well, I just thought it might be one of those things where, it's local, it's famous locally, but then people don't know outside.
Compared to Manikish, it's not. I would much rather have a Manikish, but not. You can't put pizza toppings on it. When places try to put pizza toppings on Manikish, I'm like, you need to stay in your lane. Put some za'atar on that thing.
Yeah, just the simple ones: za'atar, cheese, labne.
Yeah.
Just like those.
Yeah.